is Saturday, Countertops Day, spur of the moment Countertops Day. Right here. Well, kind of spur of the moment. It was decided yesterday that today would be Countertops Day. This is how it's going in here right now. It's gonna be like this, I think. He said he'll be able to put this part back tomorrow. They're also working on this section, and I don't think that they're gonna even start the sink section until a couple of days from now, maybe, I guess. I don't know. We gotta go get the sink because we are gonna get a different sink. This one has seen many years of dishes. It's old. I mean, I'm not even sure how long this sink has been here. At least 10 years, because that's how long we've been here, and it was already, you know, here before us. So, and that's what's happening today. Like, I was thinking we would do it in a couple of months. Not with Bob the Builder. It happens now.
Today I'm going to show you how we're going to do our countertops. There's a lot of options out there. Granted, it's very expensive. We're not done with this porch yet. There's still some places and painting and everything. We still got a lot to do in a lot of places. But anyway, we're just going to go the cheapest route, but it's still going to look good. We're going to do it with cement. So I got our center island out here. All I'm going to do is form it up around about 2 inches thick. I routed out this hole right here, and that's for if she wants to have any kind of machine that she needs to run power to, then she can run her cord down there and plug it in. So I'm going to cut that off, and we're going to plug that, form this up around the outside here, then we're going to pour it with concrete. First thing you want to make sure of, you can put this on, you know, whatever you want to, but I'm just placing it on the floor here, and we're making sure that we're dead level and it's level and you're ready to pour. It's really, really cheap, but it looks good, and it'll be with you a lifetime. Alright, once you get your area that you need to pour framed up, then we're going to mix some concrete with a little Portland and make it creamy enough so we can pour them in here. I'll show y'all how we're doing this chiseled edge here. You ain't gotta have any fancy tools at all. As a matter of fact, we can't even find all our hammers because probably Jonah's got them hid somewhere. Jacob's got a chisel. I just got a flathead screwdriver right here. And this stuff hadn't really set in really hard yet. So what you want to do is tap on these edges. If you want that chiseled edge, like, you know, a live edge, which I think gives more character to it. If, you know, you can leave it smooth, but, you know, I think it looks better. I like rustic stuff. So to make it look like it's chiseled out, I've already went around the whole top. Once you feel that thing start to kind of feel like it bottoms out, like if it hits a rock in there or whatever the case, stop. So basically you do it just like this right here. These countertops, it's super cheap. Like, you can do your whole kitchen for probably $200, probably 200 bucks. Versus if you had to put a chiseled edge on or a live edge on a piece of granite, you're looking at, in our kitchen, it was going to be over $4,000, and that was really the cheap stuff. I mean, so this right here, you know, a couple of $100 right here, and just some off-brand screwdrivers and a flat bar. Okay, so whenever I first came out here, I broke these forms back, and it's, you know, it's really smooth like this right here. Now you may like that, you know, that looks good, but I went around and chiseled it off, you know, and you can see it's not. You want to go ahead and do it before it gets really hard. Right now, again, if you feel that thing bottom out, stop. See, I'm loosely holding this, really loose, and just kind of chisel it away. That's all you got to do. And like I say, loosely hold that screwdriver. If that thing feels like it's starting to bounce like it did right there, then you stop. Because as long as you do that, you won't bust this thing all the way through until, you know, still got about another day or two before it really, you don't want to wait that long, because that would be too tough to do it. You take a chance on busting your whole countertop. Right now, it's still kind of soft. See that? And you just chisel that back. Once I stain this, and it's going to look pretty nice, and it's cheap. Yeah. Now it should be quite a bit lighter now. That thing there's pretty heavy.
This will be the top.
No, that's the bottom. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all talk about it?
This thing's heavy. Yeah. I'm bringing it in now to let this cure on out. You want to put you some wire in the middle. I got wire inside of here. Basically, you put a layer down, and then you put your wire, and then you put another layer on top of that. It's going to turn out really, really good. It's going to have a rustic feel to it, like the beams and everything. It kind of matched this. We're going to take these wagon wheels. I'm going to put one on each side. The wagon wheels will go right here.
Yeah, we do that price tag still on there.
Yeah, the price tag's still on there. It's 50% off.
Yeah, I think it was 40. I think it was 40. No, it was 50. You're right.
This is 50.
It was 50 from
Okay.
Hobby Lobby.
So I'm going to clean this up and put the wagon wheels right here, and then I'm going to have, there'll be like a little 4-inch log right here to brace this in. This right here is already a little more smooth. This is a smaller piece than that. It's then kind of cured out. You can probably do this whole kitchen right here for about $170.
They can stain it a completely different color, right? If you want to.
You can make this any color you want. Again.
Because they have, is it called concrete stain? Is that what they call it?
Concrete stain, but
Yeah.
first of all, you need to wait for it to cure out. Then you get it really smooth to apply the stain, and you can make this look exactly. And you know, I don't know that I want that, because you got to keep in mind, I know what this is going to look like when I put those. See, there's going to be a brick backsplash back here, and I think this gray is going to look really good with that. I also didn't want to darken this. I kind of wanted to leave it a lighter.
Yeah, because we already have a lot of dark wood things going on.
Stuff like that in here, and I was kind of wanting to keep everything lighter. Again, it's cheap, but matches. I think it matches really, really good.
Also, while I'm thinking about it, I was going to show y'all the rest of the stuff that we got from Hobby Lobby last night. If y'all missed that video, I'll link it down below. So we got this shelf over here. It was 50% off, 50 or 40, whatever their spring stuff is, because for some reason this is part of their spring items. Oh yes, I still have the tag here, see? Spring shop. Anyway, so we got the shelf and all the other little things on there except for the bowl. We've had this bowl a long time. We got it from either one of, I think we got this from the Dillard house actually when we ate there one time. Anyway, I got this little thing here that says bless this kitchen, and this one that says I love you like biscuits love gravy. In the laundry room, I got the chicken. That is so cute. They're out there with the laundry. I also got this one. It was 50% off. Loads of fun laundry room, wash, dry, fold, repeat. Was that one 40? Anyway, everything was 40 or 50% off except for the pig, cow, and chicken. Anyway, I got that wash and dry thing to hang up there because I wanted something up above the shelves. I was looking for something maybe a little bit longer, but that works. And we got the one with the cow, also with the laundry. Over here we got the cow and this little metal horse man with the horse sign. This is where we're gonna hang the cowboy hats. They have different hangers on Amazon for cowboy hats, but we're trying to decide if we wanna do the hangers or just a shelf. We might just put a shelf right here that we can put the cowboy hats, but this is gonna be that little, you know, hang your hat section right here. And we put this horse one up there. And then we got that picture with the trees and the sun shining through the trees. I think that's almost it. Oh yeah, there's one more upstairs. Boop, boop, boop. This one with the geese right here beside the boys' bathroom. Oh yeah, we got some stuff for their bathroom too. The geese right beside the bathroom up here. We're not finished with the bathroom yet. He does have the floor mostly down, but he's still got some stuff to do in here. We do have the tub, but it's not in here yet because the man gave him the wrong drain thing or something. So But we got this scrub-a-dub-dub sign and that picture. Look, Manny, he's gonna scrub-a-dub-dub. I almost forgot about these too because I just put them in my closet for right now until we decide where we want to put this one. And I got these for spring. The little carrot patch one. This one was only like $1 and let's see. It was $2.99 normal price, but 40% off. And then I got this Worthy as the Lamb sign also for when I decorate for spring. It's bow time. Listen, y'all. Hear that? Now that, my friends, is a sure sign that spring is on the way. We've heard silence for the last several months, but now they have returned. Isn't it beautiful? You hear it, Manny?
Hey, listen to Mom.
I think you gotta really get in the throat, you know? What'd you pick tonight? Oh, this was a fun one. Some adventures begin with once upon a time, but mine begins with an old blue wagon and a good idea. If you've never been invited to a pajama ceremony, let me tell you what happens. First, a goat plays a ukulele and sings a special song. Then a chicken steps forward to present you with flannel pajamas. Which are very soft. Finally, a pig recites a poem. Your adventure began with a dash, then a tree caused your wagon to crash. But you saved the day, quickly finding a way, and now we shall call you our Flash.